Ready? Start. This petition has been filed by invoking the provisions of Section 9 Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016, hereinafter called Code. Read with Rule 6 of Insolvency and Bankruptcy. Application to Adjudicating Authority Rules 2016. The present petition is filed before this court adjudicating authority on the ground that the corporate debtor failed to make payment of a sum of rupees 5,99,638 to the operational creditor Parachain. The operational creditor is an unsecured operational creditor of corporate debtor within bracket BPL to whom the corporate debtor is admittedly and or undisputedly indebted a principal amount as operational debt of rupees 5,99,638 only. Principal amount as operation debt of rupees 5,99,638. The interest on this unpaid operational debt shall be payable as may be decided by the adjudicating authority as per normal banking rates till the operational creditor has made supplied of downlight ecoline herein referred to as goods to PBPL. PBPL has no point of time whatsoever raised any issues with respect to the quality and or quantity of the aforesaid supplies pursuant to the supplies made as requested and or required by as per the purchase orders of supplied goods to the PBPL and raised invoices within bracket as more particularly set out in which were received, acknowledged and accepted by the latter without any demurrer whatsoever. Under each of the invoices, PBPL was liable to make payments. However, PBPL failed to make payment on the due dates and has since then remained in default of the same. The above debt has arisen since for supplies of the goods and remains outstanding and payable by PBPL full stop. The payment due have not been made despite multiple reminders on the part of the operational creditor and the repeated assurances on the part of the corporate debtor on telephonic conversations. The operational creditor submits that it constantly followed up with corporate debtor for payment of dues. The corporate debtor has repeatedly asked for extension of time, accommodation, citing adverse market condition. On such assurances, continues to grant additional time for payment of the balance amount due. The operational creditor states as per section 9 within bracket 3 within bracket B of the code that it has not received any notice from corporate debtor relating to a dispute of the amount due and hereby classified as operational debt owned by the corporate debtor to operational creditor Parachain. The above company petition number within bracket IB 3198 within bracket MB oblique 2019 is hereby allowed and initiation of corporate insolvency resolution process within bracket CIRP is ordered against Gopinath Engineering Company Private Limited, since the operational creditor has not suggested the name of any person to perform the duties of the interim resolution professional. With regard to IRP, in the petition, this bench is appointing the IRP from the list furnished by the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India within bracket IBBI. This bench hereby appoints Mr. Suresh Chandra Jaina within bracket suresh.jaina58@gmail.com. Insolvency professional registration number IBBI /IPA 001/IP P01540/2019 2020 /12473 as the interim resolution professional to carry out the functions as mentioned under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016 C. The operational creditor shall deposit an amount of rupees 2 lakh towards the initial CIRP cost by way of a demand draft drawn in favor of the interim resolution professional appointed herein. Immediately upon communication of this order, that this bench hereby prohibits the institution of suits or continuation of pending suits or proceedings against the corporate debtor, including execution of any judgment, decree or order in any court of law, tribunal, arbitration panel or other authority transferring, encumbering, alienating or disposing of by the corporate debtor any of its assets or any legal right or beneficial interest therein, any action to foreclose, recover or enforce any security interest created by the corporate debtor in respect of its property, including any action under the securitization and reconstruction of financial assets and Enforcement of Security Interest Act 2002. The recovery of any property by an owner or lessor where such property is occupied by or in the possession of the corporate debtor. Para. This company petition is filed by Gannon, Dunkerley and Company Limited within bracket hereinafter called financial creditor, seeking to initiate corporate insolvency resolution process within bracket CIRP against Sangeeta Aviation Services Private Limited, hereinafter called corporate debtor, alleging that the corporate debtor committed default in making payment to the financial creditor. Full stop.